Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy lollipops with molds. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of light corn syrup, and 3/4 of a cup of water. You'll also need your chosen lollipop molds and sticks, along with a reliable candy thermometer. Ensuring everything is prepped beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium-high heat, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. Once it begins to boil, stop stirring completely. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches precisely 300 degrees F, which is the hard crack stage, crucial for perfect lollipops. Once your candy reaches 300 degrees F, immediately remove it from the heat. This is the moment to carefully stir in your desired flavorings and a few drops of food coloring. Work quickly but cautiously, as the mixture is extremely hot. Pour the flavored candy into your prepared molds, then gently place a lollipop stick into each one as the candy starts to thicken. Finally, let your lollipops cool undisturbed in their molds until they are completely hardened, which usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once firm, carefully remove them from the molds. To keep your delicious creations fresh and prevent stickiness, store them individually wrapped or in an airtight container at room temperature. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.